Good morning. You can do better than that. Good morning. Excellent, excellent. I'm Kia Siddiqui. I'm the Dean of the College of Engineering. And on behalf of our faculty, staff, and the entire Temple Engineering family, it is my great honor to be among the first to say congratulations. I promise you, this is the last lecture. Today is a celebration of achievement, but also of transformation. The future of engineering is not just about building structure or coding systems. It's about redefining the world we live in. As we face challenges like climate change, carbon overcrowding, and the need for clean energy, engineering is rapidly evolving from traditional disciplines into highly interdisciplinary, tech-driven fields. But perhaps the most exciting part, you, the engineers of the future. You will be the collaborators, problem solvers, and ethical thinkers who design with people and the planet in mind. Engineering, as I'm sure their soon-to-be graduates will agree, is about far more than what I've just listed. It's all about integrity, resilience, and the way you choose to walk through the world. These ideals shape the core values of our college and our mission, to develop not just skilled engineers, but impactful leaders, driven by purpose and grounded in character. And as you turn the page to your next chapter, you do so as agents of change. But know this, success is never achieved alone. It's forged in connection, collaboration, and community. Our greatest strength lies in our diversity of thoughts, culture, and experience. And if you doubt it, look at our graduates. It is our superpower. As one of the most diverse colleges at Temple, our work reflects a broad and beautiful world. The solution we design and the breakthroughs we create are shaped by our collective voice, and they go on to serve communities just as diverse. Engineering isn't only about precision, it's about imagination. From a robotic dance routine in a classroom, to a circuit board that's as elegant as it's functional, to a latrine built by hand in developing countries, I've seen your creativity come alive in extraordinary ways. You are living proof of engineering. It's both science and also art. Where others see the impossible, you persist, and that persistence is what defines you. You'll pioneer ideas we can't yet imagine and solve problems that today may seem insurmountable, and all in pursuit of a better tomorrow. And above all, you are unbreakable. These qualities, the ones you nurtured at Temple, are what we will carry forward. No matter where you come from, no matter what field you pursue, remember, as a Temple engineer, perseverance is your foundation. Though your time as a student ends today, your Temple family remains. Later today, you receive an invitation to join our college's Alumni Association, an association more than 11,000 people. I encourage you to stay connected. This vibrant global network is filled with peers, mentors, and partners who share your goal to make the world a better place. The world is waiting. It needs your brilliance, your courage, your vision. So take what you've learned here and let it guide your work, your life, and your legacy. Congratulations again, class of 2025. The future is yours.
Thank you, Dean Sadiapur, for those inspirational words to our graduates. I'm Corey Budashak, Associate Dean for Undergraduate Affairs, on behalf of the College of Engineering. I'm pleased to be here with you all today for this momentous occasion. I saw many of you 4 years ago in Intro to Engineering, and it's great to see you again here graduating. Those are two of my favorite days. I'm really happy to be here. Please help me in welcoming David Brookstein to the stage. He's our former Senior Associate Dean for Undergraduate Affairs, longtime engineer, and Professor Emeritus, as well as my mentor.
Thank you, Corey. Congratulations on your spectacular achievement. Why we call this commencement because you have just graduated. You're just beginning your journey as an engineer or an engineering technologist. When I attended my commencement in 1971, there were about 180 suborbital satellites in the sky. Today, 54 years later, there are over 10,000, and the number is growing exponentially along with the technology that enables them to do things we could have never, ever imagined over 50 years ago. Most likely, with the advances in medical technology, which includes engineering, you will have a 50-year career like I've had, and it's still going on. And it will be up to each of you to do the most important thing you can do in your career. What is that? Constantly reinvent yourself. Keep learning. I could list all the things I have done as a result of reinvention, but I am limited to about 3 minutes. But here are some of the things I've done. I invented new ways to pump oil from the ground, developed advanced aerospace products made from composite materials, developed protective clothing for soldiers, developed artificial knee ligaments, artificial hip stems, and blood arteries, just to name a few. And I learned nothing about these when I was a student, nothing. But my engineering education gave me the tools for my toolbox, and off I went. I went all over the world doing these great things because I reinvented myself. Don't forget, you have to reinvent yourself. So, have a great time when you reinvent yourself. I always tell students to take their work seriously, but never take yourself seriously. I've had so much fun being an engineer. Finally, my North Star is to make good things happen. Make good things happen. If you do that, you'll be able to look back one day and feel really good about yourself. That's my story, and I'm sticking with it. Good luck, and again, congratulations.
Thank you, Dr. Brookstein, for those words of wisdom. We will now have our dean introduce our chairs and present the awards.
The John Rumpf Award, he was the founding dean of the College of Engineering. This award is given to a graduate senior who has demonstrated an outstanding understanding of the concepts of engineering, strong development of character and ethical behavior, and the greatest potential for success in the profession of engineering. As I call your name, please stand up if you're here so that people will recognize you. Congratulations, Elena Slapaniak. The Theodore Vassallo Award, he was the founding Associate Dean of the College of Engineering. This award is given to graduating senior who has made outstanding contributions in service to the College of Engineering, The award is named for this founding associate dean who was the advocate for community outreach and student service. Congratulations to Jared Michael Levin. Now, our students participate in capstone senior design. The senior design first place team, team number 3, portable biaxial mechanical testing device. The team members are Daniel Featherstone, Sydney Hutchison, and Elena Slapianek. Congratulations to all of you on behalf of the faculty and the staff of the College of Engineering. All right. Well, you changed the page. All right. Now, of course, I skipped the page, but that, we have a retiring senior dean. I would like to introduce the department chairs who are here to celebrate and recognize this special day with you. Please stand as I call your name. Dr. Anita Singh, Chair of the Bioengineering Department. Dr. Philip Udoin Yang, Chair of the Civil and Environmental Engineering. Dr. Lee Bai, Chair of the Electrical and Computer Engineering. Dr. Tom Edwards, Chair of the Engineering, Technology, and Management. And Dr. Kurosh Darvish as the Chair of the Mechanical Engineering Department. We are also joined by Dr. Saroj Biswas, Associate Dean of Graduate Studies and Research. Of course, you met Dr. Corey Budashek, the Associate Dean. Now, engineering is perhaps the most difficult undergraduate discipline in the university, and it is our tradition. We would like to mention our first honors recipient and the first honor curricula awardees, and this semester see the design which I just called. These are the recipients of the first honor in these different departments. In bioengineering, Akshay Barath. In civil engineering, Matthew Joseph Hendrickson. In construction engineering technology, Daiji Sanal-Kais Elit. In electrical and computer engineering, Leo Grant Berman. In engineering, Caitlin Rose Stevens. In engineering technology, Trevor Lamuto. In environmental engineering, Caitlin Glass. In industrial and systems engineering, Shaima Diab. In mechanical engineering, Alexander Jack Dorico. And in mechanical engineering, in mechanical engineering technology, Ryan Thomas Henry. Thank you.
Thank you, Dean Sadiapur, and congratulations to our award recipients. It is well deserved. We now call upon, one more round of applause is good, yeah. We now call upon Apurmo Temple Al to impart wisdom on our graduates. He graduated in 1982 with a degree in electrical engineering and is now the CEO of Plug Power. He has guided the company's transformation into a global leader in the hydrogen economy. We look forward to hearing what he has to say. Please welcome Andy Marsh.
Well, today's a joyful day. And boy, it's well-earned and well-deserved. To each of you receiving your degree today, congratulations. And you didn't just make it. You powered through one of the most demanding journeys out there. Engineering's hard. It's a discipline that requires looking at complex problems like calculus, physics, computer science. You've wrestled with assignments, you were in labs, late hours, and sometimes they didn't work, and you struggled and worked through it. And finally, you sat there at your computer at 2 o'clock in the morning, and it just didn't work sometimes. I've lived there. I was you. On top of that, I think this is even more important. You balanced other activities. Many of you, I'm sure, had jobs. You have family obligations and everything that hits you in life. But you worked through it. But you did it. You made it today. You're part of an exceptional and rare group of individuals. It's tough, and I just salute you for getting an engineering degree. You've demonstrated personal drive, incredible dedication, mental toughness, and an intellectual curiosity that I deeply admire. Now, I'd love to stand here and tell you it's easy from here on out. It's not. But let's be real. There is an upside. You've already proven you can face difficult problems head on. And when you do, the joy of solving them are real and lasting. Now, I spoke with a few of my colleagues at Plug about their engineering experience. One of them was Karen Swider-Lyons, a principal research scientist at Plug. And I think she really captured the engineering life perfectly. She said a project is more than just solving a problem. It's a story. It begins with the spark, the what-if moment, and when a team rallies around an idea. When excitement meets reality. Things get messy. There's delays, there's gaps, unexpected problems, but you adapt, you make the tough calls, and push forward. The final results usually don't meet the original vision, but it's often better, more refined, and more resilient. And we did this with you at Plug. We experienced this firsthand with our machine learning project at Temple. The idea, a predictive system that predicts the reliability of units in the field. Lots of hurdles. Data's never perfect. There were technical limits. There was misalignments between teams, but we stuck with it. Today, that code's in the field, preventing failures before they happen, and that was you that helped us do that. But it's a perfect reminder, a project isn't great. It's not a straight line. There's struggles. You gotta be persistent and journey to the finish. And the joy that comes from executing projects along the way. My good friend Mani Ramani, originally from India, and now our VP of Application Engineering at Plug, shared some thoughts on the power of teamwork. Somewhere, it's not the technical skill that gets the job done. It's being open-minded, fast thinking, and tight teamwork across engineering, compliance, and people in the field. Real-world innovation is practical, collaborative, and sometimes surprisingly fun, because sometimes the best solutions don't come from knowing everything, but staying curious, having the courage to chase the right ideas, and the ingenuity to make them work. So all that hard work you put in over the past few years, It doesn't end here. In fact, the best parts may just be beginning. I want to share with you the joy, special joy I've had, what engineering's brought into my life. When I was about your age, I was lucky enough to be hired by Bell Laboratories to design power electronics for wireless and optical equipment. It was my first job. It was magic. We worked in tight-knit teams. I was the electrical engineer, working alongside a mechanical engineer, a manufacturing engineer, and a technician. We developed together 14 products. 14. We collaborated, created, argued, laughed side by side through every challenge and triumph. Our mechanical engineer was my good friend, Serhada Hiskali, a Turkish Muslim immigrant. He talked me into buying a house on the street. We did that in a bar, actually. We spent countless hours together, not just at work, but in life. I never forgot helping him and his Taiwanese wife pick out the very first Christmas tree as they celebrated a secular Christmas for the first time. Our technician, Arnold Gajulio, was the son of a New Jersey car mechanic. He worked with me at 3 different companies over the years. Yeah, 3 companies. Because when you find people that you really like working with, you stick together. And the manufacturing engineer was my good buddy, Dwayne Vasquez, a Mexican-American Army brat and the first in his family to graduate from college. I ended up being Dwayne's best man. It was Dwayne's wife who introduced me to my own wonderful wife, Kathy. Serhan and Dwayne are no longer with us, but they're still here with me. I'm wearing Dwayne's watch today. I can still picture the 4 of us standing at the end of the production line, watching our units roll out. We built something that was real. Later, I saw our work in the field, powering telecom equipment that really did help change the world. We faced our shares of struggles together, but we did it together. And that's what made it meaningful. What I remember most isn't just the products we built, but the friendships, the laughter, the long nights, the pride, the feeling that we were doing something that mattered with people we cared about. So my wish for you is that you experience the same joy I have had in my career, that you find yourself in the creative flow of engineering, solving problems as part of a team, and that maybe, just maybe, some of your teammates become your friends for life. Congratulations again, graduates. I only wish I could be there with you in your journey ahead. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Andy, for encapsulating the perfect message to our graduate about what it truly means to be an engineer. Now we would like to welcome our student speaker. Graduating from the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, where he has distinguished himself through his dedication, curiosity, and leadership, known for his thoughtful approach to problem solving and his commitment to collaboration, he has left a lasting impact on both his peers and professors. I know personally I will miss Jared's smiling face in the hallways and in my classroom. Ladies and gentlemen, our student speaker, Jared Michael Levin.
Thank you for the welcome, Dr. Budashek. Good morning, all, and congratulations to the graduating class of 2025. We made it. As I stand before you all today, I'd like to give my greatest thanks to my family, my friends, and the mentors, who of which I would never have made it here without. I can never repay any of you for making my engineering journey as special as it has been. Thank you. Today is a testament to the hard work and dedication that each of us has put into our education. As we approach the beginning of the future, it is not just about what we've learned, but the challenges we've overcome. Throughout our time at Temple Engineering, we've learned how to analyze systems, analyze data, and think critically. We've written code that works, most of the time, and stayed up debugging until sunrise. Temple has equipped us with the technical expertise to solve complex problems and the creativity to innovate solutions where none existed before. I remember walking into my first engineering class 4 years ago, Dr. Budashek, feeling both excited and horrified by the journey ahead. Since then, we've built robots, designed complex mechanisms, developed control systems, and definitely fried some PCBs along the way. A lot of those. Every discipline represented here today has had its all-nighters, its headaches, and its victories. And for many of us, that growth happened not just in classrooms and labs, but through clubs, competitions, and side projects that push us outside of our comfort zones. Whether we were competing with robots, running simulations until the computer fan sounded like a jet engine, or holding our senior design projects together at the last minute with hopes and prayers, those were the moments that made this experience real. Wasn't always a pretty experience, but it was ours, and we figured it out. We navigated through a pandemic that transformed our education, faced project challenges, and occasionally questioned our life choices at 3 a.m. the night before an exam. I know I sure did. But those struggles didn't define us. Our resilience to get through it all did. And Temple taught us to persevere even if the odds felt stacked against us. As engineers, we don't just theorize solutions, we build them. We're not afraid to get our hands dirty, to fail, learn, and try again. That mindset of figuring it out no matter what is something Temple has drilled into us. We learned how to make progress even when the path wasn't clear. As we move forward, some to industry positions, others to advanced degrees, and some of us to explain to our parents what exactly a startup is, I challenge you to remain curious and use your skills to make a positive impact. To quote pioneer in computer science Grace Hopper, the most dangerous phrase is "we've always done it this way." As Temple engineers, we've been trained to find a new and better way forward. So go forth, build bridges, both literal and figurative, my civil friends. Create technology that serves humanity, take on tough problems, and don't wait for someone else to fix them. Because everything we've done here, the late nights, the teamwork, the setbacks, and breakthroughs, have prepared us for this moment. Congratulations, class of 2025. Our future starts today.
Thank you, Jared. We expect to see great things from you. We now invite Saroj Biswas to present Master's and PhD awards to our graduates.
Thank you, Dr. Budashek. Good morning, class of 2025. Congratulations to all of you. It's a beautiful morning outside, you can see, and that ushers the beautiful day as well. Likewise, this date marks the end of your years of hard work and the beginning of a successful, rewarding career. This is a time to celebrate, and as faculty, we share with you our joy and happiness. No matter where you go, stay in touch. We'll always be here for you. Okay, congratulations to all the graduates. Now, it's my honor to present to you graduates receiving the doctoral and master's degrees in their respective discipline. Jennifer Patton, Doctor of Philosophy. Thank you. Jose Paz Amaya. Putting the candidate, Professor Michel Lemay. Saida Wafadar, PhD in Mechanical Engineering. Putting the candidate, Professor Kurush Darvish. Omid Reza Ahmed Zadeh, PhD in Mechanical Engineering. Putting the candidate, Dr. Jamun Southbox. Shubhradeep Ray, PhD in Mechanical Engineering. Putting the candidate, Dr. Haijun Liu. Zhang Chang, PhD in Environmental Engineering. Putting the candidate, Dr. Harry Yoon. Shayun Yu, Environmental Engineering. Dissertation title is a long name, Biomethane Enhancement Through Electromethanogenesis, a study of alternating potential strategy. Skip it. All right. Kosra Purustami Nieval, PhD in, environmental engineering. Advisor, Dr. Raminder Suri. Holding the candidate, Gangadhar Andaluri. Abdullah Al Amin, PhD in environmental engineering. Holding the candidate, Dr. Erika McKenzie. Congratulations to all of you. Next, we award a very special doctoral degree in memoriam to one of our very special students in the College of Engineering. Bhavesh Patel was a Temple owl who completed his bachelor's and master's degrees at Temple, continuing on to his doctoral degree in electrical engineering. He was a very bright student with an innovative mind and was making progress in his dissertation research on stability of AC/DC power system. Regrettably, about halfway through the degree program, he was diagnosed with cancer. He was a fighter and never gave up hope. He continued his studies and research, publishing research articles while undergoing treatment. Unfortunately, could not carry it to the end as cancer took its toll. Bhavesh worked as an engineer in the Department of Navy, where he contributed to Navy ship system operations. One of his significant accomplishments was the invention of an all-electronic navigation instrument that replaces its decades-old bulky electromechanical counterpart. The Faculty of Engineering, College of Engineering, the graduate school, are pleased to recognize Bhavesh for his perseverance, courage, and determination, and the significant progress in his studies by awarding him the doctoral degree that he missed during his lifetime. At this point, I'd like to invite Bhavesh's family to accept the diploma in his honor. Next, we continue with the awarding the degree in Master of Science in various fields of engineering. Nibras Al-Hadidi, Master of Science in Mechanical Engineering. Harshit Kanozia, Master of Science in Mechanical Engineering. Arpita Dash, Doctor of Philosophy, Master of Science in Electrical Engineering. Nicholas Farfaras, Master of Science in Mechanical Engineering. Angela Nguyen, Master of Science in Mechanical Engineering. Biana Poliakov, Master of Science in Bioengineering. Fatima Ahmed, Master of Science in Bioengineering. Veronica Grisco, Master of Science in Bioengineering. Sarah Nguyen, Master of Science in Bioengineering. Rania Bakri, Master of Science in Bioengineering. Shiv Patel, Master of Science in Bioengineering. Favor Olubenga, Master of Science in Bioengineering. Anne Lee Jean, Master of Science in Mechanical Engineering. Keon Hill, Master of Science in Mechanical Engineering. Nisha Kardiala, Master of Science in Bioengineering. Anna Lena Stein, Master of Science in Bioengineering. Shoyan Coast, Master of Science in Bioengineering. Rashma Sudesh, Master of Science in Bioengineering. Nurhan Al-Beltagi, Master of Science in Bioengineering. Orion Kelly, Master of Science in Bioengineering. Mary Ochinclose, Master of Science in Electrical Engineering. Vinmoy Khandod, Master of Science in Electrical Engineering. Roy Kipton Toroitis, Master of Science, Engineering Management. Dino Scotland Senior, Master of Science, Engineering Management. Arnie Keith Ross Jr., Master of Science, Engineering Management. Victoria Anna Krulek, Master of Science in Bioengineering. Bachelor of Science, okay. Okay. Thank you.
All right, we switched it up. We'll get a hook next time. All right, so right now I'm pleased to begin the conferral of our undergraduate degrees. It's my honor to present you the candidates for graduation, and we're going to start with the Bachelor of Science in Bioengineering.
Allison Louise Hawk.
Helena Slupianek.
Sydney Gabrielle Hutchison. Fernanda Gutierrez Vargas.
Alize Mass. Emma Scouten.
Savannah Lebo.
Dakota Woods Mallory. Najida Pierre.
Reagan Crow. Alexandria Vera Catalano.
Sophia Mahmood.
Irene T. Bowie.
Lauren S. Wilson.
Christiana Koshi. Shannon Christine Kadanis. Sophia Kane. Mia Columbus. Aiden Gutherman.
Joelle Mary Schinkel. Lee Charles Vighetti.
Akshaya Bharath. Hafsa Jawad Ahmad. Angela Asantewa Kusiadai. Jacob Bonadio. Asim Chaudhry. David Kim.
Emily Kathleen Wilkinson.
Scott Andrews.
Sharizoda Rizokulova. Jannatul Naima.
Elias Noel Leon.
Ahmed Aladinov.
I now want to have the candidates for civil engineering. We have Mamadou Silamana.
Victor Osalawanaman Okie.
Daniel John Cronin. Evan Luff. Nicholas Ferranti. Elias George Apostolopoulos. William Douglas Good. Joani Hoja. Caleb Heiser. Kyle Avery Desmond. Dean Hargrove.
Shinema C. Ude. Darnell A. Terjuste.
Giselle Abukayon. Brittany O. Lewis.
Bilal Mohammed. Donald C. Rowe. Zachary Silverglade.
Matthew Joseph Hendrickson. Rachel Felix.
We will now begin our conferral of the Bachelor of Science in Environmental Engineering. Jacob Perna.
Caitlin Glass. Christian Kelleher.
We're now in the Bachelor of Science in Construction Engineering Technology.
Evan Patrick Spanier.
David Isaac Hapi.
Miguel Angel Urbina. Harsh Patel.
Andrew James Collins.
Xavier Williams. Cameron Watts.
Asia Danielle Davis.
Ayana Togbra.
Daishe Sana Kais Elliott. Basil Heba.
Jack Woodruff.
Now I present you the candidates for the Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering, Electrical and Computer Engineering.
Jared Michael Levin. Raynel Lopez Morel. Nathaniel Furlow. Jory Ghazi.
Kayla Toner. Mit Patel.
Mahatasim Ahmed.
Stephanie Mayo. Ahmad Michael Riddick.
Nasri Ibrahim. Jacob Michael Grinchpun.
Shane Patrick McNicholas.
Damian Badawika.
Ned Satchfield.
Lucas Robb. Angela Nim.
Nakaraj Chandavang. Leo Grant Berman. Damian Choi. Sly Enwerums.
Jacob Prunez.
Fanny Jean-Claude.
Colin James McGuire.
I now present the candidates for Mechanical Engineering, a Bachelor of Science.
Daniel Shang Clarahan Featherstone.
Tulin Ostash. Frederick Lewis Marks. Bernadette Ann Mooney.
Miles T. Curtis.
Barkat Adil.
Kenny Tran.
Amit Levant Kujukar. Sude Erkin. Christopher Berry.
Zaina Hisham Takyaldin. Darshan Patel.
Alexander Jack Derrico.
Benjamin Patrick Ortolani. Christopher Pullen.
Ivata K. Lai.
Ava Ventura Horquera. Dimitrios Stilianos Tasinos. Daniel J. Waltrich. Diana Catherine Smiles.
Aaron Harris.
Daniel J. Sinyal. Jyot Sachin Kumar Patel.
Kevin Fermento.
Nathan Shin.
Andrew Freeman. Gavin Busey.
Aaron Salen. Alex Ausline. Owen Pelonero.
Vincent Chapeau. Gabrielle A. Huyui.
Godwin Okonkwo.
Lisandro Alfonso Chachin Belera.
Jose Ramirez. James McClintock. Andrew James O'Toole. Jonah Goodman Tesler.
Shane Britton.
Shane Michael Tappaney. Marco Andrew Stella. Benjamin J. Plachek.
Hunter Ryan Gelber. Aaron Reese Batting. Connor Barrett.
Roshish Thapa. Ruben Thomas. Imad Nashat Mohammed. Harrison Morithi. Paul J. Pierce. Brian Patrick Spurrier. Ryan David Millay.
It's my honor to present you the candidates for graduation in the Bachelor of Science in Industrial and Systems Engineering.
Tara Achu Chaco. Shema Diab. Majd Labad.
Kyle Madden. Emma L. Nolan. Michael James Quinn.
It's my honor to present to you the candidates for graduation in the Bachelor of Science in Engineering.
Caitlin Rose Stevens.
Kyle Patrick Lutek. Benjamin Sherian.
Kenny Wynn.
It is my honor to present you the candidates for graduation in the Bachelor of Science in Engineering Technology.
Daniel Joseph Kraus. Sarah Marie Calcagni.
Tyler Patterson. Alan Bulataus do Domingo. Blesson Reiji.
Nathaniel Abraham. Sebastian Manuel Fontanortega.
Rithik Mazumder. Eman Mustafa. Violet O'Connell.
Samuel Ettinger. Trevor Lamuto. Zacchaeus Carrasco.
Carrie Marugi Jirage.
India Johnson. Jerry Hill.
Jonathan Anusin Zaisina. Jasmine Williams.
Joshua Johnson.
Joel Yakuba. It's my honor to present to you the candidates for graduation in the Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering Technology. Edme Edem Brown Agay.
Habib C. Wellington Ogude. Richard Tafur Afi.
Ryan Thomas Henry. Mohamed El Mubaslat.
We have our last candidate for Bachelor of Science in Bioengineering, Umair Abdul Basit.
Umair Abdul Basit.
All right. Let's see. So we're halfway through. I'm kidding. So we're almost there. Just before I conclude, we have an event on the other side of the street in the Mitten Hall, right? Right after this, please join us there for I guess a relatively simple lunch and get together. Anyway, congratulations to all the graduates. Now I'd like you to stand up. But they're not there yet. Not yet, not yet. Now take your tassels and move them from right to left. Now go. Now The faculty and staff of the college are honored to have been part of this important step in your life. I would also like to invite you to join, of course. It's at Mitten Hall from 11:30 a.m., which is about 10 minutes from now, to 1:30. We hope to see you and your family there. Class of 2025, you are dismissed.